Hello everyone, I'm Sally and welcome back to my channel Herbal Health and Vitality. I'm glad you decided to join me in our learning adventures of different herbs and vitamins. Today we are exploring cinnamon. Cinnamon, with its warm, comforting aroma, has a history as rich and captivating as its flavor. Imagine traveling back in time to ancient Egypt, where cinnamon was a prized possession, more valuable than gold. Used in embalming rituals and offered as a gift to the gods, cinnamon held a place of honor and reverence. As trade routes developed, cinnamon made its way across the globe, captivating taste buds and becoming a sought-after ingredient in cuisines worldwide. From ancient remedies to modern-day delights, cinnamon's journey through time is a testament to its enduring appeal. Beyond its delightful aroma and flavor, cinnamon boasts an impressive array of health benefits. This spice is not just a kitchen staple, it's a natural powerhouse packed with antioxidants, those tiny but mighty compounds that help our bodies fight off damage. Antioxidants are crucial in protecting our cells from oxidative stress, which can lead to chronic diseases and aging. By incorporating cinnamon into your diet, you are giving your body a fighting chance against these harmful effects. Cinnamon is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, potentially easing swelling in the body. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to various health issues, including arthritis and heart disease. The anti-inflammatory compounds in cinnamon can help reduce this risk, making it a valuable addition to your daily routine. It may also help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a welcome addition to a balanced diet for those managing blood sugar. Cinnamon has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. And that's not all. Cinnamon has been studied for its potential to boost brain function, support heart health, and even fight off bacteria. Research suggests that the compounds in cinnamon can enhance cognitive processing and memory, making it a great addition to your morning coffee or smoothie. Additionally, cinnamon's heart-healthy properties can help lower cholesterol and blood pressure, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Its antibacterial properties can also help protect against infections, making it a versatile spice for overall health. Adding a dash of cinnamon to your day might be just what your body needs, whether you sprinkle it on your oatmeal, mix it into your coffee, or add it to your favorite smoothie. Incorporating cinnamon into your daily routine can provide numerous health benefits. So next time you're in the kitchen, don't forget to reach for this powerful spice and give your body the boost it deserves. A cinnamon apple smoothie. A refreshing treat. Start your day with a burst of flavor. Blend together a ripe banana, a handful of spinach, a dollop of almond butter, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a cup of unsweetened almond milk. The result? A creamy, delicious smoothie that's as good for you as it tastes. Feel free to adjust the ingredients to your liking. Swap out the almond milk for coconut milk, add a few dates for extra sweetness, or throw in a handful of berries for a vibrant twist. This smoothie is a perfect on-the-go breakfast or a healthy and flavorful snack. Savory surprise cinnamon in your curry? Absolutely. Don't limit cinnamon to sweet treats. This versatile spice adds a depth of flavor to savory dishes as well. Next time you're making a curry, sprinkle in a teaspoon of cinnamon along with your other spices. The warmth of the cinnamon complements the other flavors beautifully, creating a truly aromatic and satisfying meal. Experiment with adding a pinch of cinnamon to your chili, stews, or even your next batch of barbecue sauce. You might be surprised at the delicious results. Cinnamon has a rich history of religious use. In ancient Egypt, it was used in the embalming process, symbolizing the preservation of the soul. In various cultures, it was burned as incense in temples and during rituals, believed to purify the air and ward off evil spirits. The sweet and spicy aroma of cinnamon was thought to be pleasing to the gods, making it a common offering in religious ceremonies. This chapter will delve into these fascinating historical uses of cinnamon in religious contexts. Sourcing your spice. Where to find the best cinnamon? Now that you're ready to add a dash of cinnamon to everything, you might be wondering where to find the best quality spice. Look for Ceylon cinnamon, often labeled as true cinnamon. It has a delicate, slightly sweet flavor and is less likely to have a bitter aftertaste compared to cassia cinnamon. You can find Ceylon cinnamon in most well-stocked grocery stores, spice shops, or online. When buying ground cinnamon, choose a reputable brand and store it in an airtight container in a cool, dark place to preserve its flavor. Cinnamon at home. Can you grow your own? If you're feeling adventurous and have a green thumb, you might be wondering if you can grow your own cinnamon. The idea of cultivating this exotic spice at home can be quite exciting, especially for those who love gardening and experimenting with new plants. Cinnamon, known for its aromatic bark, is a staple in many kitchens and has been used for centuries in both culinary and medicinal applications. While cinnamon trees thrive in tropical climates, you can still enjoy the satisfaction of growing your own cinnamon plant indoors. These trees are native to regions with warm, humid weather, but with the right care and environment, you can mimic these conditions at home. Indoor gardening has become increasingly popular, and with a bit of effort, you can create a mini tropical oasis right in your living room or kitchen. Look for a cinnamon tree sapling online or at a local nursery. Many nurseries now offer a variety of exotic plants, including cinnamon, which can be shipped directly to your door. When selecting a sapling, make sure to choose one that looks healthy and vibrant. A good sapling will have strong green leaves and a sturdy stem. Plant it in a well-draining potting mix and place it in a spot that receives plenty of bright, indirect sunlight. Cinnamon plants prefer soil that is rich in organic matter, so consider adding compost or a high-quality potting mix to your planting container. The location is key. A bright window that gets plenty of indirect sunlight is ideal. Too much direct sunlight can scorch the leaves, while too little light can stunt the plant's growth. Keep the soil moist but not soggy, and fertilize regularly during the growing season. Watering is crucial. The soil should be kept consistently moist but not waterlogged. Overwatering can lead to root rot, which is a common issue with indoor plants. During the growing season, typically spring and summer, use a balanced liquid fertilizer every few weeks to provide essential nutrients. This will help your cinnamon plant grow strong and healthy. While you might not be harvesting large quantities of cinnamon bark, you can still enjoy the fresh, fragrant leaves in your teas and recipes. The leaves of the cinnamon plant have a mild, sweet flavor and can be used in a variety of dishes. Add them to your teas for a subtle hint of spice, or use them in cooking to enhance the flavor of your meals. Growing your own cinnamon plant can be a rewarding experience, providing you with fresh ingredients and a beautiful addition to your indoor garden. That's a wrap! More spicy adventures await. And there you have it, a glimpse into the fascinating world of cinnamon. From its ancient origins to its modern-day uses, we've explored the history, health benefits, and culinary versatility of this beloved spice. I hope you've enjoyed our journey together and feel inspired to add a dash of cinnamon to your life. Thank you for joining me on my channel Herbal Health and Vitality. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next spicy adventure. Until then, have a happy day always.